Hey everybody, so me and Mr. J are here working on the bike, and we got it running and sort of kind of rode it. I got video of that. We had to adjust the clutch a little bit, but we're gonna try again, and I got to hunt down a issue why my coil isn't getting power. So hang on, we'll stay tuned and we'll talk to you in a minute. Hey guys, I just wanted to give you an update. So a few things that we did, that we found with old Frank, is that somehow I'm not getting 12 volts to my ignition. So Mr. J's like, hot wire it. So that's what we did. We just hot wire it. I'm not going to exactly tell you how to do it because I don't want anybody stealing Harleys, but it just only took one wire. So anyways, so we got that figured out. I'm gonna have to go back and look at the wiring to figure out what's going on there. It was working just fine until we put these new points on that we discovered. We're like, man, why aren't we getting a signal off of the Dyna-s points? And it was because we had no 12 volts on the to the electronic ignition or the coil. I don't know. I got to trace that back. It's just one wire out from the thing. I don't know. It could be those plugs. I really hate the plugs on that brain box I got. So we got it up and running, and then at first you'll see the clips that I showed. The clutch wasn't. It was partially disengaged, so it was revving up but not really going anywhere. And Mr. J turned it back a little bit. That clutch is a little wonky. Once he adjusted it, I took it for another ride, which are some videos he took on his phone, which I'll throw in here. And it was a lot better. But we got to figure that out. And then the carb's still acting weird. We definitely have more adjustment in the timing, which is good. So we were able to set that a little bit better. It ran a bit better, but then I think we still fouled out some plugs. What I got to do is I brought the carburetor home, and I want to get some. I talked to this guy Tom from Makuni OZ. He's an official distributor in Australia for Makuni, and he sold me a jet kit, main jet kit, and needle, and the tube that it goes into for the Harleys to lean it out. It's too rich. My main jet's like 330 and my pilot jet's 30. So the Makuni OZ Harley XL 1000 kit comes with a 240, 250, 260 main jet. It comes with the needle and the tube, and that should help lean it out a little bit for running. And then when I talked to this guy Tom, I was like, hey, I have to turn the air screw, which would be your air idle. Makunis work different. They don't, it's not like fuel, you're adjusting air. So he recommended, right now I'm at a 30, he recommended going to a 32.5 or a 35 pilot, because the pilot screw needs to be out like 1.5 turns. Right now I have it turned all the way in, which isn't right. So I need to pull the carb apart, just the bowl, drop the bowl, and we can do the main jet. And then I need to take measurements, and I'm going to go to a place called jetsrus.com, and they sell, Makuni compatible jets and stuff. So we're going to do that. I said all that to say that she runs. It's freaky with the controls being on the other side. I'm like, good thing I got front juice brakes. And I need to adjust the shift lever. It's like way too close to me. So you're really having to like pull your foot way back to get it to shift. So I need to move the pedal forwards. There's a linkage that I can adjust for that. So anyways, that's the update. You know, a few more things. And it also steers kind of weird. He's like, man, I almost wrecked this thing. I'm like, I know, me too. I'm like, it steers weird. So the bearings were a little tight up front, so we loosened those, but it's still a little weird. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. So, all right, guys, thanks for coming along, and we did it. I rode it, and you know, just around the parking lot, but yeah, it was awesome. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one. All right, easy.